Have you ever wondered what is a shakshuka and how you could make it yourself? The name shakshuka means a mixture, which would be the perfect word to describe it. Shakshuka is a mix of a rich tomato sauce and eggs that cook on top of it. It originally comes from North Africa, but the Israeli kitchen made it popular worldwide. It is known as a breakfast dish, but I love cooking it for dinners. On this episode, I'm gonna show you, step by step, how to make an authentic and really delicious shakshuka. For more awesome recipes and food videos, click on the subscribe button below the video. Right now is the perfect moment to do so. To make a shakshuka, make sure you have the following ingredients: 10 large tomatoes, 5 peeled and chopped garlic cloves, 2 red bell peppers, 1 chopped small hot chili pepper, eggs, 40 grams canola or sunflower oil, sweet paprika. Step 1. Boil water in a large saucepan. Step 2. Nick an X on the bottom of each tomato and put them inside the boiling water for 5 minutes. Step 3. Peel off the tomato shells, cut the tomatoes to quarters, and spread salt on them. Step 4. Heat up the oil in a pan and pour in the red bell peppers and the hot chili peppers. Step 5. 2 minutes later, add the garlic and right after, add the tomatoes. Step 6. Mix it all up, cover and simmer until the tomatoes break down for about 30 minutes. Mix every once in a while to prevent stickiness. Step 7. Uncover, spread a bit of sweet paprika and stir. Step 8. Make space inside the sauce for the eggs and crack each one into it. Cook on low until the egg whites are set. That's it. It was quite easy, wasn't it? Before serving, let the shakshuka cool down for a few minutes. As a side dish, I recommend a chopped basic salad and a pita or a challah bread. What do you usually serve aside the shakshuka? Put it down in the comment section below. I'm really excited to find out. Bon appétit!